There is major update related to fan speed during phone call. Tesla's summer update 2024.26 adds a new setting to reduce fan speed during phone call. If this feature enabled, this feature will lower the fan speed during phone call when AC is set to auto mode. The fan speed will be restored after the call end. This feature is a part of summer update, which includes a feature that automatically reduces fan speed during phone call to minimize background noise. This update aims to enhance the overall user experience and address issues reported by users.